Hi guys, it's Ray. I'm in a little bit of a meltdown crisis mode over here. Um, yeah, full on panic mode, basically. And I have spent hours trying to do recovery, and what is getting recovered is not at all what I need. I don't need the generic files that came on my phone 4 years ago, 4.5 years ago when I got this current phone. So, what's happening? Every single large file video on my phone is completely gone. Um, I have watched a million things on YouTube. I have tried every recovery app. I have tried connecting it to my computer, and I purchased a recovery software that was highly, highly recommended by every tech person I know. Yeah, everything is gone. Probably 2,000 plus pictures gone, and every bit of video that was more than I have a handful, maybe 8 7-second clips of video on my phone currently. It's all gone. If I wanted to go buy a new phone today would be a great day to do it because everything's gone and wiped anyways. I haven't even figured out what else is gone. I give up. So I have a couple cups kicking around here. I don't know which ones exactly, that the video footage for had never gotten edited and updated or uploaded. Completely gone. I have a Butterfly Lane Designs unboxing that is completely gone. That I can kind of re-record. And I only had one cup, luckily for that, started. That's not too far in that I can kind of fix, I hope. But for example, this gorgeous cup, which was easily an hour of footage, and this cup is not perfect, by the way, but yeah, just gone. Gone. In a time when I am feeling slightly burnt out and overwhelmed to begin with, this was not the best time for this to happen for me personally. So if you want to know where I've been, trying to figure this out. So I had anything, and being very frustrated and not wanting to basically start over on a whole bunch of stuff. I mean, this cup was very labor intensive and used cool products, and now it's gone. So, but for this one, this is UV reactive glitter, so it changes to a pinkish purple when it's in the UV light. And my favorite decal from Butterfly Lane Designs, and that gorgeous that I only had one piece of this particular color, textured faux leather. Just a lot went into this cup, and it's gone, and I'm pretty sad about it. I can't remember which other ones around here. Oh, I had a UV DTF wrap that I did with a little bit of talk about the difference in UV DTFs versus the clear cast, the VC decals, things like that. It's just all gone. So, yeah, I give up. Any recovery attempts from here on out are just, I'm done, because basically they say if you're getting the original stuff that's been gone from 4 years ago, but not your most current stuff, that it's probably because your phone did an update and already overwrote all of that data, which does make sense because there was a smattering of recent pictures that I could recover, but none of the video. So, and as I'm recording this already, this is going to overwrite some of that shifted around data anyways. So, I give up. I'm going to re-record my Butterfly Lane Designs sub-box video to the best of my ability, and I will move on with those tumblers, and I will just figure out where I go from here. So That's it. Sorry, just popping in. Catastrophic failure at this point.